Ready? Hello, I'm Paul Movsessian. I'd like to welcome you to the opportunity to study a weekend of pulse training. The pulses are quite a profound tool that a practitioner of East Asian medicine has in order to understand what's going on inside the body. The pulses traditionally were based on channels, not organs, and the understanding of the five elements is very important in order to be able to recognize how we decide the deficient or excess pulse. There is a deep lineage that goes back in Japan that understood this based on the classics and worked out through study methods how to teach this technique in a living manner so that everyone can actually come to the same conclusion. One of the things I discovered when I taught pulse many years ago at a very big conference in Queensland was that very experienced practitioners, over 80 practitioners that I was circulating around, were all unable to agree on very simple decisions whether the pulse was excess, deficient, floating, sinking, fast or slow. Tables of very experienced practitioners couldn't agree on such a simple decision from the 28 qualities, let alone the rest of the qualities. And mostly we learn pulse through description of a pulse rather than actually directly feeling it. So we're going to study this and learn how to match it to the hara, as well as learning one of the 9 classical needles, the Teishin, which is a non-inserted tool that will allow us not only to change the pulse, but to nudge the body in a therapeutic healing direction. So I hope you join us, and thank you for listening.